folks, it's me again, and me over here. Let's see, weekly what's new. What's new? Um, the building I'm working on got power. Picked up some more breakers for it. Will I have any video of that? As soon as I do something worth videoing, I will have some video of that. I also resorted to leaving the microphone on the thing because you just hear me breathing all the time. What else? Picked up a few new odds and ends. There's a couple of things coming in next week, which I'll be doing reviews of. Yes, I found some more clampy things. What else? I am going to try making another hand wheel because I screwed the other one up. This is the bad version. I'll probably find something to do with this. So I will be trying to make another hand wheel for that vise. When you don't succeed, try again. And pretty much I'm still doing work in the garage when I get a chance. I haven't done much this week because it's been like, it was horribly freezing. Like it was literally minus 29 outside, and I think it was minus 24 in here. So it was really cold. And apparently we're getting all warm weather, so basically we're going to have no snow by the end of the week. And what else? That's pretty much it. There's not much going on. I'm working on the hand vise. The kitchen bench is done. I don't know if the video popped up yet. That one's done. It's at my house. Just needs to be stained in the spring. That's what I'm going to do. What else? What else are we doing?
I don't know.
She don't know. Probably doing some work in the garage. I ordered a oil squirt thing, a vintage Eagle number 60 squirt. The ones you push the button this way. I seen them on another channel. I liked it, so I ordered it. You know, I liked it, so I ordered it. Why not? And I think that's about it right now, because that's pretty much it for the. I don't know what else. I did a review of my new drill. I bought a cheap drill. Did a review of it. Oh, and we have some new garage gum. We have some ice breakers. It's a cherry limeade, and we have some strawberry lemonade. I'm not too. I don't know. I'm not too sure which one. If you like gum, I think I like this one better than this one. So that's the garage gum for this week. Other than that, when it comes to tools, you'll see a lot more tool reviews. I'm going to be working on the Wilton as soon as I get done this hand wheel thing, which I might need the hand wheel. I might have to make the hand wheel so I can fix the, what do you call it? Why can't I never remember what this thing's called? The milling machine. I'm going to need the milling machine, but I need the milling machine to make the hand wheel, but they use the hand wheel on the milling machine, even though I have a ratchet for it. It's no big deal. So anyway, also I have, at this point, I have 1,118 subscribers. No, 1,018 subscribers. I'd like to thank every single one of you. I can't believe I have subscribers. I can't believe I have over 100. I can't believe I have over 1,000. Am I a monetized channel? No, I'm not a monetized channel. I do need some people to watch some more videos. I don't know if I have enough videos to watch. I don't know if I have enough long videos. But if you do watch this video, please watch the whole video. It helps with watch time. And am I trying to get monetized? It's not my total goal, but it would be nice to make $10, make the $75 so I can collect and order a pizza. That'd be nice. But I'm not going to be doing a Patreon and all this other stuff. This is a channel for fun. If I make some money, awesome. I will. If I do make some money, I'll try to buy some gifts and just give stuff away to people. I would like to do a 1,000 plus subscriber giveaway. Not sure what a giveaway. Maybe a pair of vice grips. Yeah. So I'll find me a nice pair of vice grips or locking C-clamp, and I will find a way to figure out how to give it away. So if you are interested in the vice grip giveaway, or no, should I even call it that? If you're interested in a, what do you call it, 1,000 plus subscriber giveaway, put a thing in the comments. And if I get 10 people interested, I will have a little bucket wheel there. We'll spin all your names in. We'll do old-fashioned way. We'll do it the old-fashioned way. We'll put your name in a hat. We'll tape somebody I like in the bottom. I'll have my daughter pull out the tape, all right? Just kidding. We'll put it in a random thing and pick it up. We'll see what happens. Hopefully I get more than 5 people interested. And then you just got to contact me and send me your address. I'll give you like a couple of weeks to respond. And if you don't get a response, too bad. We'll pick somebody else. So, Kyle, you got anything to say?
I don't know.
Crickets. Just say crickets.
to play games.
Play games. Just playing games. Oh, and in case somebody's wondering, I've been eating all meat lately. Yeah, I'm on the all meat diet. What else is new? I changed the lock on my garage. That thing completely frozen. I was locking, so I used the little DeWalt mini cutoff tool. Zip right through it. Done. Gone. Got a new lock. Yeah. This is the old key. Yeah, see the old key. Oh my good. And that's it for this fabulous weekly what's new. And we're in here. I think it's Friday night. Is it Friday or Thursday? It's Thursday because you have no school tomorrow. That's why we're in here late. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click some buttons. Follow the little guns here to the buttons.
What's Thursday?
Thursday. See, Thursday, February. I don't know what the hell date of week is, but or date of month. End of the month, my daughter's birthday, so I ordered butterfly stuff. You know, butterfly. Woo! It's the other daughter's birthday. Her birthday is in don't say when because we don't want it online, but later in the year. So thanks for watching. Click buttons. Toodles, and this is the new laser. Bye.